Hello, I'm Daniel Sun from CodingBat Foundation, and we'll be going over diff21 warmup 1 in CodingBat. So let's start by reading the question. Given an int n, return the absolute difference between n and 21, except return double the absolute difference if n is over 21. So let's go to the whiteboard here. And as you can see, I wrote a few things. Here we could see that if we return, in most cases, 21 minus n equals to x. But if 21 minus n is less than 0, then we return 2x. So in this code, what we're going to do is we're going to be splitting into two cases where x is less than 21 and x is greater than or equal to 21. And in greater than or equal to 21, we're going to be returning with 2 times x minus n. Of course, the parentheses. But in this case, we're just going to return x minus n, but absolute value. Okay, let's go code that. We're going to see here that we're going to make an integer called difference equals to 21 minus n. And we're going to check if difference it is less than 0. If difference is less than 0, that means that n is greater than 21. That's why we got a negative value. So we're going to do return difference times minus 1 times 2. So here minus 1 is to make it positive again, and 2 is to double like the question said. And in all other cases, we're going to go else return difference, and that should be it. In this code, we don't really need this else here since we're returning, and if it doesn't return, that's basically the same thing as else, and that should be it. If I put the semicolon there. Yes, and we get all questions right. Okay, and we're gonna do the same problem in Python. We're gonna do int, not int, that's Java. Difference equals to 21 minus n. And if difference is less than 0, as we did before, that means that we're going to return difference times 2 times -1, or you could just write times -2, and we're going to return difference in all other cases. We'll check here, and that should be the answer. Okay, thank you, and I'll be back in the next video where we'll be going over near 100.